how to change your ESPN Plus password online. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply log into your espn.com, or you can even get the application version of it. It does not really matter, right? So first of all, let me tell you guys that ESPN Plus actually uses the unified Disney or ESPN account system. So it can be linked to your Disney account. So whenever you try to change the password, it will also automatically change your Disney or ESPN account password too. So you need to remember that, right? So in here, all you need to do is now simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner right here, and then from there you can actually tap on login right here, adding all of the credentials of your account, and then simply log into your account like that, right? So after simply logging into your account, now what you can do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner again, and then from there you can select the ESPN account or settings, and then from there you can actually keep on scrolling until you find password, tap on password, and then verify the one-time code sent to your email. Then you can enter your new password and save, and that's exactly how you'll be able to change your ESPN Plus password online. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.